On your mark, get set, go. Okay, go.
Let the war begin.
Folks, you cannot hide behind your shelters.
This can. That's how U.S. Army wins.
Not me.
That's what we're calling ourselves?
Come on.
Oh, we got your bullets.
Oh, man. Oh. Oh.
Hey, you shot me in the head. You shot me in the
Oh,
head.
disqualified.
Well,
Ricochet.
minus 2 points.
Incidental. Oh, I got him through the branches. Oh, right on the knee. I got a lot. Oh,
In the face. In the face.
Penalty, minus 2 for...
No, how about this? Shoot in the face.
Arnold Schwarzenegger, stop.
Wait, don't hide behind me.
Put one point for Quinn.
No hiding behind the civilians.
Get out of here. The judges say you cannot.
Race. Race is here.
Get out.
Stay away from the tree.
Oh,
Oh, he missed him.
2 points.